Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Caddy web server on VPS for HTTPS, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log into your VPS using SSH. For example, you can use a command like SSH user at your _VPS_IP. Once logged in, update your package list by running sudo apt update. Next, install Caddy with the command sudo apt install ycaddy. After installation, check that Caddy is running by executing system.status caddy. If it is not running, start Caddy using sudo system.start caddy. To ensure Caddy starts on boot, run sudo system.enable caddy. Next, create a directory for your website's files. You can use the command mdir/var/www/your_domain. Navigate to this directory with cd/var/www/your_domain. Now, create a simple HTML file to test your setup. You can do this using a text editor, for example, nanoindex.html. Add some basic HTML content to this file. Save and exit the editor by pressing Ctrl+X, Y, and then enter. Now, open the Caddy file for editing. You can find it at /etc/caddy/caddy file. Add a new site configuration for your domain. It should include your domain and the path to your website files. For example, your _domain, root */var/www/your_domain. Next, configure your site to use HTTPS. Add the line encode gzip right after the root directive. Then, ensure you include the lines for automatic HTTPS configuration. Caddy will automatically request and renew SSL certificates. Save your changes to the Caddy file and exit the editor. Now, check Caddy for syntax errors by running Caddy validate. If there are no errors, restart Caddy to apply your changes with sudo system.restart caddy. At this point, ensure your domain's DNS is pointed to your VPS IP. You can check this with DNS lookup tools online. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.